Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prajakta Deshmukh from KG College of Engineering and Management Research, Pune. Today we are going to discuss basic things of corrosion under the heading of Introduction of Corrosion. Index means which points we are going to discuss. First one, introduction, corrosion influencing factors, effects of corrosion, facts of corrosion, why there is a study of corrosion, and misfortunes due to corrosion. So first one, introduction. The word corrosion is related to metal. In nature, metals are not found in free state due to their reactivity. They are stable in the form of certain compounds. A large amount of metal exists in nature in combined forms as a compounds like oxides, hydroxides, and many more. From ore, metals are extracted by metallurgical process. Metals are extracted from ores through multi-step procedures like crushing, grinding, chemical treatment, roasting in a furnace, and electrolytic refining. Lots of amount of energy is spent to obtain metal. This is a block diagram. Ore obtained from mine undergo the extractive metallurgical process, and then after we will get metal. Metal undergo the corrosion, either dry corrosion or wet corrosion, and then after we will get corrosion product. So this corrosion product is nothing but the ore. Corrosion is exactly reverse process of extraction of metals from their ore. Thus, corrosion may also be called as extractive metallurgy in the reverse. Corrosion. So what is the definition of corrosion? Corrosion is destruction of metal or decay of metal due to chemical or electrochemical reaction with the environment. In simple terminology, corrosion processes involve reaction of metals with environmental species. Corrosion is derived from the Latin word corrosus, meaning gradually reduce or spoil something. The well-recognized example of metallic corrosion is first one, rusting of iron, second, formation of green film on the surface of copper utensils. Materials other than the metals such as ceramics, plastics, and many more may also corrode, but generally the term corrosion refers to metallic corrosion. The next one, corrosion influencing factor. Means which factors are responsible for corrosion. Steam, chemical fumes, flue gases, corrosive gases. Examples of corrosive gases are H2S, SO2, SO3, NH3, etc. Corrosive gases, then after oxygen, seawater. So these things are responsible for corrosion. The next one is effects of corrosion or consequences of corrosion. So first one is loss of valuable materials due to plant shutdown or due to leakage. Loss of efficiency means due to corrosion, efficiency of metal decreases. Increases maintenance cost, product contamination, loss of safety, decreases the thickness of metal, for example, metal sheet, metal pipes, etc. The next one, facts of corrosion. First one, corrosion is a natural process. It is an electrochemical process. Corrosion leads to tremendous loss. It cannot be eliminated completely, but its extent can be minimized. Corrosion is exactly reverse of extraction of metals, known as whipping of metals. The next one, why there is a study of corrosion. Everyone using material must have the basic knowledge of corrosion in order to protect them from corrosion. Engineering design is incomplete without the knowledge of corrosion. Avoid explosion of pressure vessels or piping systems. Avoid the losses of valuable products by spillage or leaks. Knowledge of corrosion protection can minimize economical loss. Corrosion product contaminates the pharma, food, dairy products, and many more. Artificial implants for the human body, saving huge annual loss due to corrosion. Due to all these things, corrosion study is necessary. According to the National Association of Corrosion Engineers International India section, the annual direct cost of corrosion in India may be 4% GDP, which is estimated to be around rupees 350 billion per year. Then last one is misfortunes due to corrosion. In 1974, cracking of chemical reactor due to stress corrosion took place at Flexiborough, UK, and 28 people died. Collapse of Berlin Congress Hall in 1980 due to corrosion. In 1985, 12 people were killed in Utsar, Switzerland, when the concrete roof of swimming pool collapsed only after 13 years of use. The roof was supported by stainless steel rods in tension, which failed due to stress corrosion cracking. In April 1992, explosion took place due to corrosion in industry at Mexico, and 215 people died. A pipe ruptured by corrosion. The rupture was in the condensate system upstream of the feed water pumps. Occurred at Miyama 3, Japan on 9th August 2004 and 5 people died. In March 2006, an oil spill at Prudhoe Bay, Alaska's North Slope region, US, 1 million liters of crude oil leak due to corroded transit pipeline. Thank you. Thank you very much.